Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So if you're having trouble logging into your Boss Simulator Ultimate, don't worry, in this quick video, I'll walk you through the fastest and easiest step to fix the login problem. So let's get started. For that, first of all, you have to make sure you have a stable internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if it resolves the issue. Also try restarting your router or enabling airplane mode for a few seconds and then turn it off again. After that, you want to go ahead and simply open up your settings inside your mobile device, then tap on General, then tap on iPhone Storage. Inside iPhone Storage, search for Boss Simulator Ultimate and then tap onto it. Now go ahead and tap on Upload App, then tap on Upload App again. This helps you to free up the storage used by the Boss Simulator Ultimate and also help you to clear the cache. So once you have uploaded the application, make sure to reinstall it again. After that, head back to your home screen and check if the app is updated or not. For that, open up App Store. Inside here, you want to go ahead and simply search for Boss Simulator. And once you search for it, if you see update instead of open, you want to go ahead and tap on update and let your application update to its latest version. So once you have updated it, head back to your home screen and then try switching your login method. For example, if you're using Facebook or Google, try logging in as a guest instead. Sometimes your saved data syncs back once you're inside. So if nothing works, go ahead and uninstall Boss Simulator completely and then restart your phone. After that, reinstall it again from the App Store. This often fixes corrupted files causing the login issue. And that's it guys, your login problem should now be fixed. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and sub and I'll see you in the next one.